If you try to ban a TikTok account today by just tapping report, your request will likely be rejected immediately by an automated system. The 2026 moderation algorithm requires a much higher burden of proof. To actually get an account removed now, the platform demands a structured written appeal, specific photographic evidence, and offline identity verification. In this video, we are going to walk through a specific protocol using artificial intelligence that bypasses that automated rejection wall and forces human intervention. Before we start, you need to have 4 things ready. You need the exact target profile, screenshots of the violating content, an active email address, and a valid government ID. By treating this process as a formal legal submission rather than a quick in-app complaint, you compel the algorithm to escalate your ticket to a human moderator. Step 1 is gathering your evidence. Open the app, navigate to the violating account, and take 5 to 6 clear screenshots showing both the profile page and the stolen or inappropriate content. Next, you need the exact username and the direct URL of the profile. This ensures the moderation team knows exactly who to target. Save that link directly to your clipboard, and make sure your screenshots are readily accessible in your phone's camera roll. If you skip this step and try to submit a report without this precise digital fingerprint and visual proof, the system will discard your ticket as spam. Step 2 requires you to leave the app entirely. Open your mobile web browser and search for the TikTok Support Feedback Portal. When the form loads, select Report of Intentional or Potential Violation in the topic dropdown. Avoid the General Account Inquiry option. For the category selection, choose Content Violation. Under Reason, select Other, and paste the profile link you saved into the designated field. Make sure to enter an active personal email address in the contact section. If you don't have access to this inbox, you will fail the final verification step later on. Navigating these exact dropdowns acts as a backdoor. It routes your ticket away from the automated bots and directly to human policy enforcement. You will see an additional details box on the form. If you type a manual, emotional complaint here, it is highly likely to trigger a quick rejection. Instead, generating your appeal using a chatbot removes the risk of human error and ensures the formatting is flawless. Open ChatGPT or your preferred AI and state clearly that someone is impersonating you or violating terms using your content. Ask it to write a strong, professional appeal with a formal legal tone. Once the AI generates the text, read through it to verify accuracy, and then copy the entire response to your clipboard. This AI-generated formatting perfectly mimics corporate compliance language. First-line review systems read this structure and take the complaint seriously. Now, head back to the support form in your browser and paste that AI text directly into the Additional Detail section. Below the text box, use the Attachment Upload button to add the 5 to 6 screenshots you harvested earlier. Finally, check the necessary consent boxes at the very bottom of the page and execute the submission. Hitting Submit completes Phase 1. Your request is in the system, but the account will remain active until you trigger the final action. The platform usually takes up to 24 hours to process this initial web form. During this window, you need to watch the email inbox you provided. You are waiting for an automated request from the support team demanding a photo of a government-issued ID. When it arrives, reply directly to that specific email. Attach a clear photo of your physical ID, and for good measure, reattach the original screenshots of the violating account. Once the moderation team verifies your identity against the provided ID, they process the ban within 6 hours, and the target account is completely eliminated. It requires more effort than a simple in-app report, but combining an AI-formatted appeal with offline identity verification gives you the exact architecture required to successfully enforce an account ban in 2026.